Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we'll be making a hot tea toddy. This one goes out to Julia. She mentioned that she's got a bottle of Hennessy at home, so this should be really handy on those cold winter nights. Now hop on the couch and let's whip one up. So I've been warming this mug with some hot water for about 5 minutes, so I'll pour it out to start. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put my garnishes in first. Nice lemon peel and a cinnamon stick. You can get creative with your garnishes. First ingredient, Hennessy. You can use whiskey if you don't have any Hennessy or cognac at home. I'll add 2 ounces. 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Always use fresh when you can. A couple dashes of bitters. This will help make it nice and medicinal. Got 5 ounces of chai here. Oh, that's full. If you don't have chai, you can use black or oolong tea, and feel free to add some spices as well if you have cinnamon, cloves, cardamom at home. I'm not adding any spices to this because chai is already nice and spicy. And then to finish it off, we'll do 1.5 teaspoons of honey. A bit of a stir. Bam! Hot toddy. Cheers. Next time, we'll be making a rum eggnog from scratch. Don't worry, it's much easier than you think. On Couch Cocktails, we want to make what you want to drink. So be sure to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments, what do you want to drink?